Outdoor installation, independent running, no need to match switchgear and other equipment. Can operate independently, provide installation bracket. Vacuum interrupter with SF6 gas insulation. Strictly control of gas filling and gas leakage equipment. Stainless steel materials SS304, better than other companies who will use SS201. Electric motor operation. Diversified selection according to customer requirements. Option available for isolation, PT, zero sequence, CT. Remote control with different controllers, square and round. RS485 mobile phone SIM card and other function can be achieved. This product with a controller can meet the requirements of recloser function. Operating mechanism and vacuum interrupter were the two core component parts for vacuum circuit breaker. Spring operation mechanism, mechanical life 10,000 times in REC standard. Dual operating mechanism combines spring type and permanent magnetic. Permanent magnetic operating mechanism life can arrive to 30,000 times. Spring type operating mechanism can always work regular, even motor power off. So with dual operating mechanism can achieve both advantage, long life and can work even motor power off. Vacuum interrupter, multi-brand choice according to different customers. Our company preferred the top 4 brands with the highest quality in China. Short delivery time, usually 7 days to complete. Non-standard customization needs 15 to 30 days. Packing, packed in standard export wooden case. Moisture-proof, anti-collision, and free from fumigation. Maintenance, 1 year free of maintenance. Beyond the warranty period, provide spare parts replacement. Merger case type sealing structure, SF6 gas, excellent sealing performance, free from external influence, free maintenance, especially suitable for frequent operation places and automation of distribution network. Easy operation and installation, compact design and reliable interlock. This is a vacuum interrupter, multi-brand choice according to different customer. Our company preferred the top 4 brands with the highest quality in China, all of which are suppliers of raw materials for national defense and aerospace manufacturers, so that you can trust the top quality.